Star date Saturday, 5th of August 2023. Swimbo's going to the hospital to have a procedure, and while she's there I am going to go out with the Mini 3 Pro and have a bit of a play around outside of my current location. So that's it, we're good to go.
A few minutes later.
Alright, so we're still waiting for... oh, the gimbal's stuck. Damn it. You know what I forgot to do? So I forgot to take that fecker out. Yeah, I think I've poked my gimbal, so now every now and then it pans down, and I have to do a series of switches and stuff like that for it to fix itself and come right again. So a bit of a pain.